Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Mike Lips, and welcome to my office that I have here. And I've been asked to present this year at the National Guild of Hypnotists on August the 7th, 8th, and 9th in Marlborough, Massachusetts. Now, I'll be presenting the talk, What Do You Say When a Potential Client Proclaims Hypnosis is Evil, Demonic? Countering the belief hypnosis is evil, demonic, using scripture, theology, and reason. Now, most objections to the use of hypnosis comes from evangelical Christians who believe hypnosis is demonic without any real proof. I used to be one of those. I'm still an evangelical Christian, but I don't believe like they do when it comes to hypnosis. Now, most believers point to this text, Deuteronomy 18, 9 through 14, as their proof hypnosis is evil, demonic. But nothing could be further from the truth. My seminar will show you how to use two things. First, you will learn to do what is called an exegesis, which means you'll learn how to interpret, to draw out or explain verses of Scripture, thus allowing you to counter any objection to the use of hypnosis. Secondly, what does the Bible really say about hypnosis? Or does it? Join me Saturday, August the 9th at 5 p.m. and find out.